Okay, this is the first video to help you with transposition. Now, by now within music theory classes, you should have covered the basics of note names and where they lie on the staves. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to draw a semi-breve, no heads not coloured in, no stem, and I've written it in between the bottom two ledger lines. Now that is the musical note F if we were working within the treble clef. Now, when we're transposing, we're either moving the pitch of a note up or down. It might be that, you know, you've written a song for a female vocalist and the chords are C, G and D. She has a go at singing it and she says, actually it's a little bit too low, I need it to be higher. So you might actually want to move the notes up in pitch. So if we were to, for instance, move this note F up in pitch to the musical note A, we would say we've moved that note up a third. Okay. And how we calculate that or work that out is the first note F will be number 1, so the starting note, even if you're transposing up or down, the first note we always call number 1. After F, we would have moved onto the ledger line, which is the note G, being number 2, and then moved up another note to the note A, meaning it's the third. Let's look at another example. If we're in the bass clef this time, and we start with the note C, and our bassist has to move that note C up a third, we count this note C as number 1. We move up to the D, which is number 2, and we move up again here to the E, which is transposing that note up a third. Whatever the note is, the first note you start from, if it's an A to E, A, B, C, D, E. So A to E is classified as a fifth. Now you've all heard the term octave, oct meaning 8 notes. So if we were to go back to our first example, the treble clef, the semi-breve note F here, this time we count up 8 notes, 8 for an octave. So F would be 1, G 2, A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6, E 7, and then there, the F on the top ledger line in the treble clef being the 8th note above it. So to draw them together, that's an octave, this lower F and a higher F. And in terms of intervals, they are an 1/8 apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.